Hey everybody, I'm Bob Kovacs, and this will be an unboxing of this Wavlink USB 3.0 dual bay docking station. Now with this, you can plug in either 2.5 inch or 3.5 inch hard drives, and then you can plug this into your computer. This will support 2 hard drives, and again, either 2.5 or 3.5 inch, and then you can plug it into your computer. So you could have a bare hard drive, maybe one that you took out of an old computer, plug it into this, and then get access to the files on your current computer. So that's what this will do. It has a bunch of other features. It says it's plug and play. I'll believe that when I see it. And it works with both 2.5 and 3.5 inch SATA hard drives. And it also has USB 3, which means it's pretty fast. And this is what I really want. It supports offline cloning between 2 hard drives. So I am actually going to use this to take the relatively small solid-state hard drive that's in my desktop computer, and I'm going to clone that hard drive onto a much larger solid-state hard drive. So doing that, now I won't have the problem where I'm running out of space on that small drive. It's a 128 gig hard drive and it's nearly full, so I got a 1 terabyte hard drive, and what I want to do is clone the 128 onto the 1 terabyte. And this says that this will do it. Now I got this on Amazon on Prime Day. The normal price on Amazon was $33, and I was all set to buy it at $33. And then I checked it on Prime Day and it was $20. So it was absolutely a steal, of course, if it works, on Prime Day for just $20. So I'm going to open it. You see it's got this shrink wrap on it. Hopefully I won't cut the box. I'll just slash open the shrink wrap here, and then we'll see what's inside the box. Okay, here we go. Oh, before I do that, let's see what else is on the package here. This shows the side of the device. In the box, it says what is in the box. It's got the actual docking station, an extender cable, a power adapter, and a manual. It tells you what ports it has, and it'll run on Windows and Mac OS X, and it says it's got some LEDs. Here's another view of it. This is the front panel. There you go. This is what the top looks like. And there's nothing on the bottom. Okay, let's just lift this guy out. It's wrapped in some kind of plastic. This is it. It is just plastic, not a metal case. So maybe this peels off here. There we go. This is the device. It's got these 2 slots so that it is flexible between a 2.5 inch and a 3.5 inch drive, and it's got the 2 slots. And there is the front panel here. This is the label on the back. Don't know how easy that's going to be to read. The connectors on the bottom. This is an on-off switch. That's convenient. Okay. So let's just set that aside for a moment and investigate what else is in the box. Here's the cable it was talking about. It's got 2 different kind of USB connectors. This is the standard USB, and this is a USB with a power facility here, so it can draw extra power from the computer, or I think in this case that end plugs in here on the box like that. So that's the cable. It has a power adapter and a manual. And the manual is in several languages, of course. So that is it. The box is now empty. And this is the Wavlink USB 3.0 dual bay docking station. That is what's in the box. Now I will be making another video that will go through the process of me cloning my drive and installing the drive in my desktop computer. Now, the cloning part of it, I suspect, is going to be pretty interesting. The mounting in my computer, well, that's probably specific to my computer and may not necessarily work for your computer. But that video will focus on the cloning aspect of this, how this box can make a clone of a hard drive. So, but that'll be a different video. This is just the unboxing video. So, hey everybody, this is Bob Kovacs. Thanks for watching.